Hey, welcome to the second video. And this is the second video. This video we're going to dive much deeper into the bits and bytes of HTML coding. So we want to make our coding advance. We want to advance our coding skills. So let's first remove this picture, or maybe let's leave it. Let's leave it. Mm, Let's just add something more beautiful to this. So maybe I'm gonna create a paragraph, or let's create a heading. So like, for example, we're going to create a heading saying that introduction to HTML, introduction to HTML. We want this to be a heading. Like, for example, we want it to be a heading, but you notice that there is nothing to show. It just shows it is actually, there is no formatting. So how are we going to format it into a beautiful and stunning heading? We're just going to say H1 like this. And this is the tag we're going to use. So we're going to wrap it and put it inside this introduction to HTML tag, this H1 tag. This is the largest. This is the largest size of the tags. These H tags, they run from H1 up to H6, with H6 being the smallest. As you can see, this is the smallest one. It automatically bolds the tag and formats it to the size, to the wanted size. We can have H4. We also have H4, which is like has that size. We have H3, which has this size. We have H2, which has this size. I think H2 is pretty much good. Yeah, H2 will be better. So we have this. Now, I want to say stands, HTML stands for hypertext markup language. Hypertext markup language. It was designed and created by Tim Berners-Lee, late 1991, as a standard for creating web pages. So this is the text, and as you may see, this is the text. So whichever text you add here is going to work. So without much wastage of time, let's just look for some information here on Google. We're just going to use this. We're going to use information from Gemini, not just because we don't know anything, but I just want to show you that anything you paste there, anything you write there, anything you put there, this no magic is going to work. Everything you put there is going to work very well. So let's remove this. And we paste this information. You notice that this information, no. It's control R, yeah. So this information is right there. But the biggest problem we have is that this information here with Gemini is kinda, it's having a different it has a different face, right? Yeah, the information has a different face. So how are we going to tackle that? We're going to wrap this inside what we call the font tag. We're going to wrap it inside that font tag. This is the tag, but this element is deprecated. I know that because it's no longer supported in HTML5. However, it can work. It works despite the fact that it's not. So, so since it's no longer, after that, here we're going to write, we're going to put font, face, like this. We're going to put face, and then we write the name of the face, like maybe Roberto. And then if we refresh, as there is nothing. How about Algeria? I just want to make sure, yeah, this seems to be okay. So, go to English, empty. That doesn't work. Let me see monospace. Does monospace work? Yeah, I think monospace works, but it's not really good for us. So you can use any type of font, and any kind of font is gonna work. So thanks. So we can wrap this under this text, or maybe we can put it under inside of the p tag. This p tag represents the paragraph. This p tag, which is actually better. By the way, there is a better way of designing this. If you would love to design it much, much better, you would use what we call style sheet. Style sheet does it really much better. How will you use the style sheet? Let's remove this font, and I show you how we can use style sheet. Let's remove this font tag. So to use style sheet, you're going to come to the head here inside of the head. We're gonna come to the head. Then you type the word style. This is the style tag, and then inside of the tag, you put this p. Then we're just going to say p. Use these curly braces. After using the curly braces, then you say maybe I want to give it a color, and what type of color you want to use, you can pick it from here, maybe blue or any type of color. But for our case, maybe should I use orange? Let me use orange. Is it okay to use orange? Let me use, no, let's use orange red. Seems to be working pretty much good. Maybe we can also use the background color. Maybe something like gray. This is just for the background of the color. Or let's choose azure. Check the background. Azure looks like, let's see what other kinds. Yeah, it was the font family. So the font family, we're gonna choose any type of font family. I don't know whether Roberto works. I don't know whether Roberto works, but let's try to check and see. I'm pretty sure Roberto doesn't work, but should we use Vadana? Yeah, let's use Vadana. This family. Yeah. Thanks for watching this video, and we'll catch up in the next video. If you loved it, hit the subscribe button, and don't forget to click the bell button to receive new updates. Bye.